Alright everybody, so today on Dirty Vet Garage, we're working on Alex's 65 Beetle. I had surgery today on my mouth. It sucks. So I'm letting them do all the work. So not only that, but Nissan's A in their battery. So life sucks right now. But it's okay. Because we're going to see what we can do. Well, why'd you let the wasp in? He's going to kill you at some point. Yeah. So in their vehicle, you'll see us work on to Dad's 55 Beetle here. It's a beauty. Can't wait to see this thing going down the road again. Alright, Dad, what are we doing to Alex's bug here?
I'm gonna adjust these throttle screws because he said it kept on dying on them, and that means the throttle linkages. I gotta do the air, the throttle linkage with the adjustment screws there. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it a little bit. See, I didn't even touch them. You can see that. Now it's finally touching. Is it low?
Both lights are on.
We'll try to start it.
Crank her over.
Let it fill up. You hear the pump going?
Very.
It's been set for a while, so that means it's probably dry.
You got the throttle.
Yeah, I got the throttle.
Give it a couple of pumps.
Go ahead. Into the screws, it has the right there. You see where the things come out, and that's where it hits the throttle. So we want to try to make them even on both sides as best as you can. Because what that does is keep it within rhythm. It can go out. Out of rhythm. You can run them out of rhythm. But the catch is if this one pushes it more, this one's going to push too. But you try to keep it in the same distance. Idle air screws. Alright, try her again. Once you're ready to go too far.
Too much air or not enough gas?
Really shouldn't be that. Hold on. Are you sure you got enough oil in this?
I checked it. It's full, even with all the oil set up. Well, I might be lying because all the oil was set up.
Start her up. Back up.
Goodbye.
Something ain't. I might need to check your distributor.
Huh?
I might need to check your distributor. Go ahead and try to start her again. Engine's still freaking hot. Yeah, shit. There's something going on.
Yeah, there is.
What's your guesses?
It's either the distributor, because it's an older distributor. I noticed. I have some other 00 distributors, and I realized they're getting bad. They're getting worn out. So
Points are going.
Not so much the point. It's inside there is a bar, and how the points go is that bar has a lump in it. Sometimes those lumps wear out over just years and years of work, and that's sometimes why the timing can't ever get right. I hear the popping. The popping's usually timing, or the carburetors are not adjusted right. Well, I know these carburetors were adjusted right, so the only thing that left me is gotta be timing. So the only thing I know that would cause bad timing like that, I would have to time it by light and let me see what it'll do. It'll tell me right away.
Alright.
If the load's bad. Distributor, those little nubs right in there, what's open and closes your old points.
Okay.
And I like the old style because the new style just quit on you. So the old style was proven to work all the time. But this one is a bad one, because if you watch those old points right there, notice how it barely opens, and you go to another one.
Yeah.
See how it opens? See how it opens far? Notice it doesn't open very far there.
Mm-hmm.
Notice how it opens. Notice how it opens. Doesn't open so well. That one doesn't open at all. That's because the shaft is worn out in there.
Now, can you just replace the shafts on these?
You can. I never done it.
So it's like the old 460 stars. You can get rebuild kits for them, sort of.
You can. And that's the reason why I'm probably going to take this stuff on the inside here and put it on this one. And make it run.
Alright.
That one's kind of loose. Where this one, it's loose, but not as loose. So I'll just put a new one together and see if that distributor is bad. If it's not bad, we gotta look further deeper into it.
Time will tell.